What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we just got a new tune on the Evo 8. The main thing we're trying to fix right now is the hot starts, and they're definitely getting quite a bit better, but we are going to be starting to throw the motor into the abandoned Evo X today. Go in front. So you think you're stealing my Evo, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Should we get a cold start for the boys? Decent. All right, so basically what we're gonna do is get this car to the stage of what my other Evo X is. I'm gonna pull off all the stuff on the front, pull the transmission out of the car, bolt the transmission to the motor, and then put the motor and chassis into the car together. That's the way I've done it in the past. On Bobby's car, you guys know that I tried to pull the subframe, and that way just didn't really work all that well for me. I'm sure that's the way they pulled this out. I think English Racing pulled the motor out of this car, and I'm sure they just pulled the subframe with their lifts and everything they have there. So yeah, let's spend some time and get this thing prepped to get a new motor right there into this car. I have seen some comments down below asking, how do I know what bolts go where? How do I remember all that stuff? Every single bolt that I take out, I throw it right back into the same location. If I don't do that, say if it's like a motor build, I'll throw all the valve cover bolts in a bag, label it valve cover, same thing with timing cover, oil pan, all that stuff. It all gets labeled or gets threaded back in to its proper location. So like for the front bumper beam, these are all the bolts for it. I thread them back in. These are all the bolts for the top, like a radiator court support thing. Those get all threaded back in. Everything goes back in where it came out. Because yeah, if I didn't do that, I would have no clue where anything goes. All right, the transmission is out of the car. Pretty much what we're gonna do from here is bolt the clutch and the flywheel onto the motor, bolt the transmission onto the motor, put the motor and tranny into the car together. From there, we'll do like the turbo kit, or the turbo, the manifold, I'll probably do the water pump and all that stuff outside the car, but turbo manifold inside the car I've noticed is a little bit easier. I don't know, it's debatable. Either way works. Personal preference for me is stock turbo manifold can go inside the car. Now if I wanted to drop the subframe, I'd do literally the whole complete system, every single thing, bolt it onto the subframe and then hoist the subframe up into the car. But yeah, we are going to be running a spec stage 2 plus clutch with a OEM flywheel. It's the clutch I pulled out of my Evo when I upgraded to the stage 3. So stage 2 is going in this car. That'll be plenty for just, obviously stock power isn't gonna destroy a stage 2 clutch. We should be good to go. Let's get after it. We got everything mounted up on the engine that I wanted to get mounted. Now we just gotta pull it off the engine stand, bolt on the reader main seal, the clutch, the flywheel, bring it over there, attach the transmission, make sure the clutch throw bearing attaches properly, and then we can throw it in the car. Everything's going pretty smoothly. I'm taking my time, I'm enjoying it. I'm not rushing it right now, because when you start rushing stuff, that's when stuff goes wrong. All right, we got the motor and trans bolted together. Let's drag it over there and throw it in the car. From here, it's pretty simple. The one thing I may have to do is take that side CV axle out so I can swing the transfer over, but I shouldn't have to. If I do, not a big deal. I'm gonna try without it. Well guys, the goal today was to get the motor and tranny and transfer in the car, bolted up, all the motor mounts on, and that's exactly what we did. Unfortunately, I'm completely out of time for the day. I have a car meet tonight, and it's also Bobby's sister's birthday, so I have to run to both of those. And yeah, we are like already running late, and the shop is a disaster. So I hope we can finish this thing up tomorrow. Hopefully start it up tomorrow, potentially start it up tomorrow. That'd be pretty dope. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.